Scooby-Doo, wow, wow, wow. What a tune. What a tune. Splendid, actually.
Achoo. And thank you. My name is Miss A. I get my sound from the same sound that starts achoo.
Wow. Dr. Alice Antler here. It's a blast meeting you, Miss A.
Achoo.
My, that's quite a sneeze you have there. But I think I can help you get rid of it.
But I really...
Nonsense. Wait here. I'll be back in a flash. I think I can scare her out of sneezing. This alligator should do the trick. There. Look at this alligator, Miss A.
I'm so happy to meet you, alligator. Achoo. Did you know that alligator starts with the same sound that starts achoo?
Wow.
Listen. Alligator, achoo. The same starting sound.
You know, I don't think that worked. Hang in there, Miss A. What she needs is some nature food. This apple should cure her sneeze. An apple a day keeps the achoo away. Here you are, Miss A, an apple. Just bite right into that.
Why, thank you, Dr. Antler. I love apples. Apple starts with the same sound that starts achoo. Listen. Apple, achoo. The same starting sound.
Wow.
This is so good.
No, I don't think that worked either. Hold on, Miss A. Help is on the way. This girl needs activity. Miss A, you need action.
Achoo. Achoo. Good. Action starts with the same sound that starts achoo.
Wow. Miss A, listen. Here is an axe. I want you to go out and chop some wood. Maybe that will work this sneeze out of your system.
Listen. Axe, achoo. Axe, achoo. Axe starts with the same sound that starts achoo.
Wow, this is a difficult case. I don't know what to do. Oh, maybe she digs sneezing. Miss A, I'll tell you what to do. Take 2 aspirin and call me in the morning. I'll tell you what to do for your chew.